Hi. In this short overview, I'm going to walk you through the Maven Nebula platform. It's a flexible, fiber-based DAS solution designed for a wide range of mobile coverage scenarios. We'll start with the Orion Master Unit. This is basically the central point where signals from cellular or radio base stations are injected into the system. Orion takes those signals, filters and combines them, and then digitizes everything for transport over fiber. It supports multiple bands and multiple base station inputs, and sends everything out via high-capacity fiber links. For situations where no direct base station connection is available, we have the Cirrus unit. It works a lot like the Orion, but instead of a direct connection, it picks up signal over the air using a donor antenna. Both Orion and Cirrus can link together, passing signals through the network and routing it to where it needs to go. That brings us to the remote units, which take signal and rebroadcast it as RF. The Stratus High Power Remote Unit is our larger remote. It reconverts digital signal back into RF, amplifies it, and transmits up to 5 bands at a high power. It's ideal for places where high transmit power is needed. It can also act as a switch in the chain, helping distribute signals further to other nodes in the system. For other kinds of areas, we offer the Nimbus Low Power Remote. It's an all-in-one unit with the antenna actually built in and transmits up to 4 bands at a lower power. Nimbus is often used in buildings where full-size remotes would be overkill or where running coaxial cable might be difficult. To support Nimbus, we have the Helix Master Unit. This connects directly to the multiple Nimbuses, either 8 or 16 depending on the model, and it receives signal from the main network via Orion or Cirrus. Or it can even take a direct O-RAN interface if you're working in a virtualized RAN setup. So between Orion, Cirrus, Stratus, and Nimbus, and Helix, you've got a fully digital modular DAS architecture. The system routes signal kind of like an IP network, but optimized for RF distribution. It's flexible, scalable, and it's designed for redundancy where needed. Outside of the main Nebula platform, we also offer off-air repeaters like the EXO and Strato, and these are simpler two-port devices that boost coverage in smaller areas using a donor antenna and a server antenna. This supports up to 3 bands at high power. And then finally, for trains, we've got the Tor repeater. It's a compact onboard unit that supports up to 4 bands at a lower power level. It's optimized for use in rail environments. Altogether, we have the Nebula platform and our repeater lineup to give you a full set of tools to deliver reliable wireless coverage, whether it's inside buildings or on the move or in all kinds of complex infrastructure projects. All right, that's it for our introduction of the Nebula platform. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our next video where we'll start looking at designing a Nebula DAS in iBwave.